Good morning, National Dayers! It's Mrs. Erickson. Today is Wednesday, January 10th. It is the 10th day of the year. There are 356 days left. Happy National Save the Eagles Day.
Each year on January 10th, National Save the Eagles Day reminds us of the majestic raptors that soar above the earth, whether they are well populated or endangered. Due to the work of scientists and the public, the bald eagle was removed from this list in June of 2007. While the day started as a way to save a specific pair of bald eagles and to raise awareness about the species, the observance has grown to encompass all species of eagles. Approximately 60 species of eagles populate the world. Most of them are found in Eurasia and Africa, but North, Central, and South America only account for about 14 species. No eagles are found in Hawaii, and the most common species in North America are the bald and golden eagles. Eagles are powerful birds of prey. An eagle's sharp sense of sight, paired with powerful muscles, piercing talons, and beak, make them primed for the hunt. They are also monogamous, meaning they stay with the same eagle partner for their whole life. Learn more about eagles today. Watch documentaries or read about them. Visit an aviary or a bird sanctuary. Learn more about this fascinating and majestic creature today. Today is also Houseplant Appreciation Day, National Bittersweet Chocolate Day, National Cut Your Energy Costs Day, and National Take the Stairs Day. All right, National Dayers, today we're going to make a pom-pom eagle. Gather the following supplies. You'll need a brown and white pom-pom, felt in brown, orange, and yellow, googly eyes, glue, and scissors. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take that white pom-pom and using the scissors, you're going to trim off the bottom of it to give one flat edge. And then that way, when you glue the white pom-pom on top of the brown pom-pom, it actually makes it look like an eagle's head. Next, you want to take the brown felt and you want to fold it in half and cut out a half oval shape. And then when you open it back up, it's going to be wings, and then you're going to glue that on the back of the brown pom-pom. Then use the yellow felt and you want to cut out a little tiny triangle, and that's going to be the bird's beak. And then take those googly eyes and glue those right up above the beak on the white pom-pom. And then using your orange, you want to fold that in half and cut out some little eagle feet, and then glue those on the bottom of your eagle. And there you have it, my friends, an adorable little pom-pom eagle. Super cute.
All right, National Dayers. Isn't he so cute and little? I'm actually surprised at how little he was. I gotta go get myself some more supplies. I'm running low on pom-poms. So it's a little baby eagle, but I saved him. So, hey, celebrating the National Day. All right. Go to your local library, read something about eagles, research them. They are the bird of our nation, which is pretty cool too. And I happen to know some fans of a football team who might be pretty happy with things right now as well. So save those eagles, National Dayers. Keep smiling. Have a wonderful Wednesday. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.
It's time for super spectacular shoutouts. Our shoutouts today start us off with Miss Susan, Mrs. Griselda, Mr. Corey, and Mr. Rivera, and everyone in the high school ESN program at East Union High School in Manteca, California. Next up is Mrs. Zarobski and Ms. Webb and everyone in the Life Skills program at Lake Dallas High School in Corinth, Texas. And our third shout out today goes out to Mrs. Adams and Ms. Ebony and everyone in the Inclusion Self-Contained grades 8 and 9 at Bryant Junior High School in Bryant, Arkansas. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your support. I hope you loved your shout out. Teachers, if you'd like to get your class a shout out, just complete the Google form. The link can be found below this video in the description. And here it is, our updated super spectacular shout out map.